Hey folks, I have switched to this NGK high performance kit from Engage Power Parts. This can be used on the Interceptor and also the super meters out there. For me, this costed around rupees 5000 and this includes the necessary cables, caps and the two Iridium spark plugs. The model number I will mention in the later part of this video. So long story short, I have been using the GT for more than a year now. I have clocked around 9000 kilometers so far and I have encountered few issues. During this time frame, one of the major issues I got was with the exhaust. The exhaust vent pipe turning blue and a lot of misfires in the low end while riding in slow traffic. If you look closely enough here, you can see the blue hue on the exhaust. In the complete kit, this comes with an CR8 EIX Iridium spark plugs manufactured by NGK. If you are not using this kit but just want to invest in the spark plugs alone, you have to buy the CR7 ones. So please don't use CR8 with the stock cables as it will cause engine fouling. I have already got this installed from a local service center, and let's just do a cold start and check how the engine idles now. As you can see, the engine idles a lot smoothly and the ride quality has changed a lot. I can really feel the difference on the road. The throttle is much more crispier now and runs a little bit cool than before. If you guys want to check out the item, I will put a link for the product in the description. See you folks on the next video. Bye.